Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. From this series you can learn and also get work opportunities from us. So feel free to join our private community and contribute your time. This banner design is centered around promoting an organic face cream product specifically targeted for individuals with sensitive skin, with a clean, fresh, and health-focused aesthetic that communicates the brand's natural and skin-friendly values. At the top of the banner, the phrase "resources shared on description" is prominently highlighted in bright yellow against a white background, drawing immediate attention and suggesting additional product or usage information is available in an associated description, likely for online content or social media use. Just below that, the word description appears again in a formal serif font, reinforcing the instructional nature of the banner. The central circular design element contains an attractive product showcase, where various skincare items, including a rose-infused cream, vitamin C serum, and a dropper bottle, are visually grouped with fresh green mint leaves and a dewdrop, symbolizing hydration, purity, and natural ingredients. The brand name Alaroma is layered across the central image in a bold and bright yellow font, merging modern aesthetics with a clean, organic feel, subtly positioning the brand as both trustworthy and innovative in the skincare niche. The fresh green leaves and water droplet not only enhance the natural theme but also visually imply soothing, cooling, and healing effects, key benefits sought by users with sensitive skin. At the bottom of the banner, the clear and concise product message "Organic Face Cream for Sensitive Skin" is written in a strong navy blue font, creating a solid contrast against the white background and ensuring legibility. The overall functionality of the banner lies in its multi-purpose use for digital marketing, particularly in e-commerce listings, blogs, influencer content, or product launch promotions where quick visual communication is key. It efficiently communicates the product's natural and organic attributes, targets a specific audience with sensitive skin needs, and encourages viewers to learn more via linked descriptions. The balance of visuals, fonts, and colors fosters a calm yet confident appeal, aiming to build trust, support conversion, and elevate brand visibility in a highly competitive skincare market. Thanks for watching. I hope this is really very easy to make.